Okay, this is my second video of the puppies. They are now 12 days old, and I reweighed them today to see how everybody's gaining, and they are totally growing so fast. I don't know if you can see. Let's see if this focuses. They all gained about at least a pound. So the first one was a pound. She's now 3 pounds, and same all around. They're all about 3. The lightest one we have is the female Merle, and she's 2 pounds and 13 ounces, so she's almost 3 pounds as well. So they gained almost, a pound or so, a pound and a half, and in a short period of time. Also, when they were born, they were about the size of my hand, a little bit bigger, and look at how big they are already. They're still got a whole half a thing. Yo, come here, May. Let's see. Let's see, babies. There they are. He's already sleeping, so the male there, female squealing out. See if I can move him around a little bit. They're still kind of wobbling around. Haven't opened their eyes yet. I bet she covers them all like a little hen. See me out. There's a black one in there somewhere. He's the biggest boy, but oh my goodness, it's so crazy how fast they've grown. She's still protecting her baby, so I'll let her go. Just wanted to do an update. Bye-bye.